Welcome to Side Hustle Rules. My name is Lou Reyes. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it easier for you to find an online freelance job. Now, I'm not just talking about finding any old online freelance gig. I'm talking about finding one that is right for you. And I'm going to help you by sharing some of my experiences after hiring hundreds of people, interviewing at least 10 times that many. So I'm going to share my experiences. I think some of the things I tell you, some of the tips I give you will really help you to land that perfect online gig. But then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to share with you my list of websites that you can use to find that ideal gig. That's all up next right here on Side Hustle Rules. Come on! Welcome back to Side Hustle Rules. My name is Lou Reyes. Well, as I promised before that break, what I'm going to do is give you tips so you can find that online freelance job that's right for you. Now, the tips that I'll be sharing with you today, these are tips that I learned after hiring literally hundreds of folks, interviewing at least 10 times that many. The tips that I share with you, I think, can help make you that ideal candidate. Now, before we get into our video, what I want to do is I just want to mention that if you decide, hey, I'm going to take my gig, my freelance gig, I'm going to turn it into a full-time business, well, you're going to want to check out my Side Hustle Starter Kit. It's what I call the video edition. In this edition of my Side Hustle Starter Kit, what I do is I just walk you through the 8 steps that virtually every single entrepreneur has had to take when they launch their business. You can find a link to my Side Hustle Starter Kit video edition in the description box of this video. So now, let's dive into it. Let me give you the tips. Let me tell you how to find that online freelance job that's right for you. It's important to understand that every freelance job is essentially a digital opportunity for you to build a successful business. Now, successful businesses, they're built through repeat business. They're not built through one-offs, that one time taking care of a customer. You want to get repeat business, and you earn that repeat business by satisfying that client. Now, it often means giving 110% or more if you want to keep that client. Now, I'm going to stress if you want to keep the client, because I understand and I know that sometimes you just don't want to do business with them again. And that could be for a variety of reasons. But if you're really looking to keep a client, you want to keep them satisfied. How do you find an online freelance job? Be sure of this. Be sure that it aligns with your skill set. Be sure that it aligns with your preferences and your strengths. Don't apply or take an assignment if it's a stretch. You're stretching, you might be a fit, you might not. Don't apply for one of those positions. Now, after you make the determination, after you decide, yeah, this is what I want, craft a compelling profile showcasing your expertise. I'm going to suggest that you create a short 30 to 45-second video, and you're going to add that link to your portfolio. I know this. A short video, it can be a difference maker. It can be a difference between landing a gig or maybe even getting passed over. Personal videos that showcase your personality, showcase your communication skills, and also showcase your enthusiasm, well, they provide a memorable touch that sets you apart in all job applications. Testimonials. I can't overstate the importance. Testimonials are your golden ticket to credibility in this whole world of applying for an online gig. They provide authentic endorsements of your skills, of your reliability, and also of your professionalism. And prospective clients, they'll gain trust and confidence in seeing positive feedback from folks who've used your service. And using a testimonial or 2 or 3, it's going to increase your chances of securing that valuable gig. So now that I've served up some tips about how to find an online freelance job, I want to share with you my list of websites you could visit to find freelance opportunities. Now, as I do this, I'm going to give you a very short, sometimes one-sentence description of each one of these. In other words, what I'm not doing is I'm not reviewing each one of these websites with you here today. That would take a lot longer time than we've got. Craigslist. Craigslist is a popular platform and has a simple interface that allows users to post ads and browse listings in their local area. It's not my favorite platform, but it works. Next up is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit operates an online marketplace that matches freelancers with local tasks, including personal assistance, furniture assembly, moving, delivery, and handyman work. Dribbble is an online platform for artists and designers to find work. They say they are one of the largest platforms for designers to share their work online. You can check that out and determine that for yourself. Upwork. Now, I've used Upwork dozens of times to find freelance workers. It's a popular site, as I'm sure most of you know. It does work well if you are on the hiring side. But if you're looking for a gig, I will say it's crowded. So freelancers aren't likely to stand out if they're looking for work. Next up is Fiverr. I've only used Fiverr a couple times, maybe 3 or 4 actually. I find it to be similar in many ways to Upwork. Designhill is a creative marketplace that provides businesses and individuals with access to high-quality designs from professional designers and unique products created by independent artists. And some of that I took right off the website, some of that description. Guru. Now, according to their website, and I'm going to quote here, Guru provides a cost-effective platform that charges the lowest fees in the freelance marketplace industry. That's important, but it's also important to stand out. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a freelance jobs platform that connects clients and freelancers globally. Now, People Per Hour also has flexible hiring options, meaning that you can browse their gigs or post your own products. Pretty much, they do a lot of what the other platforms do. Now, Workhoppers. Workhoppers is a commissioned free platform that lets you find work in your area. Next up, Webflow. Webflow provides a range of resources for freelancers, including a marketplace where they can find work and a blog with tips on how to succeed as a freelancer. I'm actually using Webflow now. Golance. Golance offers a range of benefits to freelancers, including high-paying projects, easy payment terms, remote work opportunities, support, guidance, and a professional network. Solid Gigs. Solid Gigs is a paid service, and it's a paid service that provides curated job listings for freelancers. Now, for a monthly fee of $21, that's the dollar amount I saw as I posted this, as I did my research. Solid Gigs sends you hand-picked freelance job alerts that are tailored to your preferences. Now, the platform claims to offer the best 1% of freelance jobs in the world. Design Crowd. Design Crowd's a graphic design marketplace where businesses can post design contests or one-on-one jobs for logo design, business card design, advertising, artwork, and website design. I actually like this concept here. You might want to really check this one out. Well, there you go, my friends. I've just told you how to find online freelance jobs that are right for you. And I also included websites that you can use, that you can look at to find those online freelance opportunities. Now, I do want to say, if you have any questions whatsoever, any comments, please go ahead, send me an email, or you can go ahead and just make a comment in the comment box. If you like what you heard today, you know what? Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, I do have the Side Hustle Starter Kit, the video edition. There's a link to that in the description box. Well, as I always say, have a great day, everybody. Come on!